Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into it, starting with Gamex 1200. Okay, so this is Gamex 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame using the 3M trend milk trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay, so guys, these had been on downtrend for a while. There are some pullbacks in between. As we can see, it gave us the M structure around here and got to this support zone. Was unable to break out from here, and right from here, it started moving up, and it is still on buy trend at the moment. And of course, we expect it to get to this spot. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. Okay, so it's more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The next asset is going to be Gamex 999. Let's check it out. It started an uptrend right from this support zone, and it got to this resistance zone, wasn't able to break out from there. So right now it is starting a downtrend, and of course it will be selling more, most especially once it breaks out below this particular support zone. Then we expect it to sell more. Once it breaks out from there, we expect it to get to this region, guys. So you should take note of that. So we expect more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Let's check out Penex 1200. This is Penex 1200, and of course this had been on uptrend for a while, but after getting to this resistance zone, it started a downtrend, and it has been selling since then. However, it has gotten to this support zone, and it has not been able to break out from there. So if it's unable to break out from here, it will go fully into an uptrend. So we expect more buying opportunity right from there, except if it breaks out below this support zone, that is going to continue to sell. Let's check out Penex 999. This is Penex 999, and this has been on uptrend for a while, but after getting to this particular resistance, it has not been able to break out from there. I actually posted a trade signal about this on the Telegram channel, and it has just gotten to the TP. And of course, guys, it's still going to sell more. We expect it to get to this region, and it's still, once it breaks out from here, it's still going to sell more till it gets to somewhere here. So this is going to be a long selling opportunity. You guys should not miss out from that. Okay, I will post more updates about it in the Telegram channel. Okay, so this is FX volume 80. Okay, this was on downtrend from here and got to this region. So right from here, it started an uptrend, and we can see it has been buying since then. So we expect it to get to this particular spot, okay, as it is buying right now. Okay, so we are expecting more of a buying opportunity right from here. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully. I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.